In today's energy markets, let's focus on natural gas to start the week. Natural gas, the big mover today in the energy space, down about 3% on the day. Now, we did see a low end around the 2.21 level. Currently right around the 2.25 level and down from the start of the day. So we're seeing some selling pressure to start the week, and I think there's a couple of factors playing in here as we start this week off and move through the week. The weather patterns over the weekend were a little bit milder than expected, but also you got to point to the EIA. Now, the EIA indicating that injection levels are pushing back up to increased inventory levels, and when you look at the inventory levels, they're running about 16% year over year right now when you natural gas inventories as we head out of the injection period and into the extraction period in the next month. So we're starting off at a higher inventory level as we get through this transition season. And also when you look at the 5-year average, we're above the 5-year average now for inventories as we head into this extraction period as well. So I think you're seeing the inventories getting back up to levels where they haven't been for some time. And certainly when you look at the price action relative to last year, we're significantly below last year's price levels. Looking at trend as well. Now, we've seen a very steady downtrend in natural gas throughout 2019. We did see the lows in early August, and certainly when you look at natural gas, we saw the November contract get down to about 2.13 half intraday. 2.16, I believe, was the closing low. And if you look at natural gas in its index form, almost 202 is really the low. So we're seeing price action getting back down to the low end of the range. But if you look at the last couple of weeks, we have not taken out those lows that we saw earlier in August. So again, I think if you continue to see the evolution here, I think there's some hopes by some technical traders here that if we do not make a new low here, particularly after we saw the September highs, that we might be turning the page here as far as seeing the trend throughout 2019 starting to shift maybe back towards the upside, particularly after we saw that spike in September. Then we saw the new lows in October, and I said August earlier, I meant October, and then now we're swinging back up. So again, at least to this point, we're seeing a higher low to start the week.